Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can download and install the Bumble application on your mobile device and sign up for it. So Bumble is an online dating application, so you want to create a Bumble account and join the world of online dating, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to download and install the Bumble application and sign up for an account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to download the Bumble application is open a Play Store or an App Store according to your mobile device. And in the search fields, search for Bumble. Once you search for Bumble, you'll see something like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the install button. Now after tapping the install button, wait for the download and installation process to complete. So once the download and install process is complete, moving to the signing up process, what you need to do is open the Bumble application. So tap on the open button. So once you open the Bumble application, you'll land an interface like this. Now here you'll have two options in order to continue to making or signing up for Bumble account. One is using a Facebook account as a Bumble account, and other is creating an independent Bumble account using your phone number. So if you want to use your Facebook account as a Bumble account, simply tap on the continue with Facebook button here and enter your Facebook account credentials. Then you'll be able to use the Bumble application for using your Facebook account. Or if you want to create an independent Bumble account, what you need to do is tap on the use cell phone number option. So I'll do that. After you tap on the use cell phone number option, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here you'll be asked to enter your phone number, so go ahead and enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, what you need to do is tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, a pop-up window like this will open asking you to receive a verification code in the number that you've entered. So tap on the OK button here. Once you tap on the OK button, Bumble will send a verification code to the phone number that you've entered. So wait for the verification code to arrive and then enter the verification code here. Once the verification code arrives, enter the verification code, and once you enter the verification code, you land on an interface like this. Now here you'll be asked to enable the location service. So tap on the enable location service button here. Then allow the permission. Once you allow the permission, you will be asked to enter your name, so go ahead and enter your name. Once you enter your name, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter two photos in the beginning, so you have to at least upload two photos with your face in it. So go ahead and upload two of your photos here. So to do that, you have the options to add the photos from Facebook as well. If you want to do that, so simply tap on this button and again use your Facebook account to add the photos. Or if you don't want to do it, what you can do is simply tap on this box. Then you'll have four options: one to use your Facebook account, one to use your Instagram account, one to use your camera roll, then one is to take a photo right now. So choose one of those options and upload two photos here. Once you add two of your photos, you will have the option to add more photos. So if you want to do this, simply tap on these boxes and add new photos for yourself. If you don't want to do this, simply tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth, so go ahead and enter your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, a pop-up window like this will open. Here you'll have to confirm your age, so tap on the confirm button. Once you do that, you'll have to select your gender, so select your gender, then tap on continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll have to select which mode you want to start with, whether you're here to date or whether you're here to make friends. So choose one of those options, then tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter an email address as a recovery email address, so go ahead and enter a valid email address for yourselves and tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll land an interface like this. Now here are some details about the Bumble application. Now tap on the got it button, then tap on the gotten button again. Then here are the terms and conditions of using the Bumble application, so go through them, then tap on the I agree button. Once you tap on the I agree button, you'll successfully create your Bumble account for yourself. So now you can enjoy using a Bumble account. So those were the simple steps in order to download and install the Bumble application and sign up for it. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.